What if I told you that Windows 11 already has ransomware protection built in, and most people never turn it on? In this video, I will show you how to properly set up ransomware protection in Windows 11. No paid software, no complicated steps, just simple settings that actually work. If you're new here, I make simple Windows 11 guides for everyday users. Consider subscribing. Ransomware is one of the fastest growing cyber threats in the United States. It can lock your files, photos, and work documents, and then demand money to unlock them. The good news is this: Windows 11 includes built-in ransomware protection, but it is not fully enabled by default. What we will do. In this video, we will do three things. First, we will turn on ransomware protection. Second, we will protect important folders. Third, we will add a backup layer for extra safety. Let's get started. Turn on ransomware protection. Open Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Select Windows Security. Now click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click Manage Ransomware Protection. Turn on Controlled Folder Access. When Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This setting prevents unknown apps from changing or encrypting your files. Step 2. Protect important folders. Windows protects some folders by default. These include Documents, Pictures, and Desktop. If you save files somewhere else, you should add those folders manually. Click Protected Folders. Click Add a Protected Folder. Add folders such as work files, personal data, or important backups. These folders will now be protected. Step 3. Allow trusted apps. Sometimes trusted apps can be blocked. This is normal, especially with older software. Click Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Add apps that you trust, such as professional software or backup tools. Only allow apps you recognize and trust. This keeps your system secure. Step 4. Add a backup safety net. Ransomware protection is important, but backups are your final safety net. You can use OneDrive for important personal and work files. You can also use an external hard drive. If you use an external drive, disconnect it when you are not backing up. This protects your files even if something goes wrong. Common mistakes. Avoid these common mistakes. Do not turn off protection just because an app is blocked. Do not allow unknown apps. Do not rely on protection without having backups. A few smart settings make a big difference. Let's do a quick check. Controlled folder access is turned on. Important folders are protected. Trusted apps are allowed. Backups are enabled. Your Windows 11 system is now much more secure. If this video helped you, click like to support the channel. For more Windows 11 security and performance guides, subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.